I really want to learn how to drive a motorcycle, but this one won't start because the battery is no good, so we're going to learn how to bump start it. It's kind of like the same concept with a manual car where you put it in gear, get it rolling, get some momentum, and then dump the clutch. It should start. So we're going to put it in second gear, clutch in, get it rolling, dump the clutch, and then hopefully it'll start and I'll be able to ride it. Let's do this. Not enough? So as you all can tell, it worked. Now we got it running and I can give it a spin one more time.